Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Tommy Rosen, speaking to you today about the Good Morning online retreat. This retreat comes out of our 10 years of taking people down to Costa Rica in November. For these past 10 years, we've been on this incredible retreat. And unfortunately, because of COVID, we can't go this year. And I wanted to offer an online immersive experience which could give people a taste of what we do in Costa Rica. Something that would bring together yoga and meditation and community in the best and most powerful way possible. So I created the Good Morning Yoga Retreat. So what we're gonna do is, starting on Wednesday, November 11th, we'll have an opening circle that evening. And then each morning, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, for those 4 days, through Sunday, November the 15th, we will start our day exactly the same way we start when we're on retreat in Costa Rica. From 6 a.m. Pacific time to 7, we'll begin with a 1-hour gorgeous yoga and meditation practice. And then from 7 to 8, we will circle up in an online format, of course. We will circle up for a Recovery 2.0 meeting, and we'll connect and share our experience, strength, and hope with each other in that sacred way that we do. We have found on retreat over the years that this is one of the most powerful ways to begin a day. And of course, the way we begin a day is going to really set us up for the whole rest of the day. And so I really do consider this to be just one of the most important things that we can bring into our life to create transformation and to build our presence and our skill and our effectiveness in the world. And we need that right now. So I want to invite you to join me for this immersive retreat. It's completely free. There's no barrier to entry. All the practices we're going to be doing, which are very powerful, they're accessible to everybody and anybody. If you're interested in yoga, meditation, health and wellness, decreasing anxiety and stress, moving beyond fear and blocks, come to this retreat. We're going to get immersed in it together, and we're also going to get to connect and really hear from each other each morning. So come and join me. It's completely free. You do have to register, and because of our technology, space is limited, but just if this calls to you, jump on board, register, and secure your spot today. And I will look so forward to connecting with you each morning for this Good Morning immersion and retreat. So exciting. Until then, take good care. Stay on your recovery path. Ask for help when you need it. And never despair. There's a way through every block. I hope to see you in November. Bye for now.